There's no doubt. Big Pharma has a lot of power and influence. But are they using it to protect themselves from being sued? It's no secret that vaccine corporations have a lot of energy and force. But are they using it to protect themselves from being sued? There are a lot of theories out there about why Big Pharma would want to preserve vaccine corporations. One approach is that they're afraid of being sued. After all, if a vaccine injures someone, they're more likely to sue the company that made the vaccine than the company that sold it. Another theory is that Big Pharma is in bed with vaccine corporations and may work together to keep prices and profits high. Or, they may be working together to keep the public from knowing the truth about vaccines. Whatever the reason, it's clear that Big Pharma has a lot of power and influence. And it's time for them to use that power and influence to protect the public, not themselves. Big Pharma is in bed with vaccine corporations for one simple reason: money. The vaccine industry is immensely profitable, and drug companies stand to make billions of dollars in profits if they can get their products onto the market. Big Pharma has a long history of donating money to politicians and lobbying for favorable legislation. It's no surprise that the National Childhood Vaccine Injury Act was passed in 1986. This law has protected vaccine manufacturers from lawsuits and has made it difficult for people to seek compensation for their injuries. Big Pharma's influence over the government is a significant reason many people are skeptical of vaccines. There is a lot of misinformation about vaccines, and much of it is perpetuated by the pharmaceutical industry.